See it? Yep, you got it.
All right.
Perfect. You know what, Asmo, I've never, yo, what's up, Red Bull? Thanks for the lurk. I haven't had the experience of having water, like actual water drops left on glasses and stuff until now. So maybe a little hard. It's not terribly bad, but it is evident.
Oh, is Ram here?
Ram?
For the basmati rice.
Basmati. Move that way, beef. Don't back up. Go that way. Good boy. Yeah. In Norfolk, I didn't need to do that, Asmo. But it may be something that I have to invest into doing here because of, man. It's just, I don't know. It's not, like I said, it's not terrible, but it is evident. All right, what am I cutting?
This?
Onion! You want it...
Sliced.
You have a different knife?
What's wrong with that? Is that one blunt?
It's, yeah, I could...
I sharpened one the other day and I swear it
club somebody.
Just don't hurt yourself.
Yeah.
We're gonna do like a quick pickle with that so we can stick it in a bowl.
So you just want it sliced?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, if that's the case, I might want a different knife. If we have one. That'll work. Thank you. Those taps look so helpful. Onion. All right, so we got one medium onion.
We get lid for that.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better of a knife. I don't know why that one is so tough right now.
I feel like the big ones are just extra blunt.
Yeah.
Alright.
You good with that?
Lid. I don't care.
Like that? You good?
What? Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Just the size that you want to put in your mouth, you know?
Okay. These are definitely Devanarian onions.
Does that make us chocobos?
Yes.
Am I about to increase my level cap?
Absolutely. Oh.